tell me, 'cause I think it matters. Who will rise and look into the eyes of something greedy? Tell me, 'cause I see it splattered. I love my planet, but the laws that span it kill the needy. I look around and see a lot of people rising up. The wolf's been pulled down over all our eyes. The moon around the sun around the stars. She'll get bruised before she's better by paradise.
Well, I just think in the spirit of Gandhi, this is a great way to connect.
We're all on this planet together.
I'm sure that there are children in Iran and teachers. We'd like to get to know you better.
And we could actually be friends.
I would like to say hello to the Iranian people. I love everybody and peace be with you.
A universal peace. That's my message to the whole world. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's quite amazing. Yesterday they cleared the farms away to let a whole new crowd in. I look around, see a lot of people rising up. 'Cause the wolf's been pulled down over all our eyes.